This is a brand new 2013 Acura RDX. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, traction control and stability control systems, high-intensity headlights, hill start assist, commercial-free satellite radio, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, the AcuraLink satellite communication system with real-time traffic and real-time weather, leather seats, a rear spoiler, a passenger side vanity mirror, advanced compatibility engineering body structure, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Springfield Acura is located at 243 Route 22 East in Springfield. As we turn customers into lifetime friends, our goal is to continue to strive in exceeding your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.